Today we're going to barbecue spare ribs right here in the backyard where we can hear the waterfall. Today is really nice. It's a little bit sunny, but you can feel the breeze, so it's nice and cool. So maybe we are going to eat dinner at the gazebo. My husband made this gazebo a few years ago. Maybe I'll pick up some lemons and tomatoes for our salad tonight. Spare ribs is for dinner tonight. So I bought one layer of spare ribs. I cut it into 3, and then I will rub it with the garlic pepper. Rub it good. Of course, you have to wash that one good first. And then put garlic salt. And then you cover that for an hour. Put that in the refrigerator for like an hour. And then take it out and put it in the grill. Getting ready. Fire started, getting ready for our spare ribs barbecue. Gonna be good. Spare ribs are on the grill. Looking good. Here's our little salad tonight. I have mixed vegetables, and a slice of tomatoes, and then I put a little bit of
walnuts, and green olives. I decided to make fried rice with that spare ribs tonight, and of course salad and stir-fry vegetables. We'll see what happens.